What are the best sugar substitutes for the keto diet?
So there's a lot. Our personal favorite is Bocha Sweet. I don't really know how to pronounce it.
Bocha.
There's also Erythritol, Allulose, Swerve. Those are some combinations.
I thought you didn't like Swerve because of the oligosaccharides.
It is one people use, though. That's just one people use. And then there's a lot from a company called Lecanto, and they have a lot of products that are monk fruit based. And
some pure, some blends.
Right. So they blend a lot of their products with erythritol for specific reasons for baking. What else?
So you've got Bocha Sweet,
yeah,
Allulose, monk fruit, erythritol,
Stevia.
Stevia is one that we used. I've been using Stevia for about 10 years now. Probably longer than that, maybe 12 years now. I prefer the Stevia drops. Now, I will warn you, whenever you see packets of sweeteners, pick them up and read the label. A lot of times you're actually, even on 0-calorie sweetener, you're going to find dextrose in the ingredient list. And the reason that is because according to the labeling laws, you can actually have 4 calories in one of those packets. And so companies will actually put real sugar in with the fake sugar so that it tastes better. So just be aware that there's sugar hiding there. Also in your salt.
Yeah, I was really surprised. I eat a lot of MREs in the Guard, and the salt packets in those MREs, I was looking at, I just took one, put it in my mouth, and I was like, this is sweet. And I never would have tasted it before, but now I can. And I looked on the back of the packet, and there was dextrose. So salt and dextrose. And I was really surprised. So yeah, salt packets, some of, a good portion of those have dextrose in them. Yeah.
So those are some of the best sugar substitutes for keto.